Привет, друзья, подписчики.
Can a bad oxygen sensor O2 cause a misfire? Can a bad oxygen sensor cause misfire? If the oxygen sensor malfunctions, it can potentially lead to misfires in a multi-cylinder engine. The primary role of the oxygen sensor is to transmit data to the engine control unit, enabling the ECU to make adjustments to the air-fuel ratio based on this data. However, if the oxygen sensor malfunctions and provides inaccurate measurements of the air-fuel ratio, it can result in engine misfires. A malfunctioning oxygen sensor can decrease engine performance, increase fuel consumption, and lead to excessive emissions. Thanks for your attention and please subscribe our channel.